So good morning, everyone. Welcome to the secondary assembly, our last online assembly for this month, okay? Because we are going back to school on February 1. All right, so the school is going to release an official letter, so wait for that. Wait for your email, and it will be informed to your parents as well, okay? Right now, we're going to our Kahoot. All right, students only. The game pin is there. You have to go to www.kahoot.it. For teachers, I think you have in here already. Okay, teachers 4536167, and for students 8675158. Okay, so let's start. Students, log into your Kahoot. Yes, Liang is there. Okay, only students. Okay. Can you like type your name and your grade? Okay. So type it. I will. What is this? All right. Type your grade. Okay. Okay. All right. The winner will receive prize. Why do we have like what is this? Sophia. Okay, Sophia. Okay. The winner is going to receive a voucher from Asia Books, and we have a different approach today. So if you want your prize to be delivered, Mr. Hikmat is going to deliver your voucher to you today if you want. So if you win, you have to contact me, give me your address, and Mr. Hikmat is going to deliver your prize today. Wow, that's a new one. Okay. All right, Wafa, with your grade. Okay. So we have this much students. All right. Okay. So let's give it 30 seconds more. Okay. We only have this much students. We have 60 participants. Okay. And for the teachers, we have, yeah, we have. Okay. Yes, we have the teachers here on the other side. All right. Okay. Right, teachers, 4536167, students, 8675158. The questions will be the same. For the students, it was like edited, but for the teachers, original from the from the student council. But the questions are the same. All right. Okay. So it's almost like 8:40, and we have 12 questions. So we are going to start. All right. I'm going to start now. Okay, so yes, first question. All right, how many Eslers do we have? All right, good. Let's see who will take the first lead for the first question. All right, we've got, okay, there's like five Eslers. Okay, so first one is Abel, grade 11. Math is fun. First for the teachers. Okay, next. Okay. What is the height of a basketball hoop in feet? Okay. All right, let's see if you know about this one. All right, check. All right, yes, it's 10 feet. Okay, and let's see who's in the lead. Okay, we got Teacher Yao for the teachers and still Abel in grade 11. Okay, let's go to the next question. All right, so if you win, you type in your address or you can send it to me. All right, so who is this cartoon character? All right, so if you're watching, I think this guy's from Frozen. All right, okay. Know this cartoon character? Yes. All right, good. A lot of you are watching cartoons, huh? Okay. So we still have the same people who are in the lead, Abel and Teacher Yao. Okay, next. Question number 4. What is the name of this bread? Yep. Okay. Good. All right. So the right spelling for that word is the red one. Okay, so let's check if still Abel in the lead and Teacher Jacob is now in the lead for the teachers. All right. Okay. So next question, 5 out of 12. What are the correct PIS slurs? All right. So you have to be mindful of the slurs, our slurs. Expected school-wide learning result. Choose carefully. Yes, the green one. Okay, so let's check if we still have the same person in the lead. Yes, it's Abel. And now it's teacher John W. Wow, for the teachers. All right. Go to the next one. 6 out of 12. Question is, what is the official currency of Qatar? Easy. Okay. Yes, of course, it's Qatari Riyal. Okay, so let's check our scoreboard. It seems like Abel is like undefeated, and teacher John W on the next one. Okay, students, next. 7 out of 12. What is the result between a mixture of blue and yellow? Right, artists, you know about this one.
Clear is it supposed to be pigment or light?
Uh-huh. Well, I think they selected the nearest one. Okay. Okay, so we have for the students Abel and teacher John W. Wow, okay. All right, next. 8 out of 12. How many seconds are in a day? There it is. All right. I would say like no calculator, but it's too late. It's up to you now. Okay. How many seconds are in a day? Okay. Green one is the right answer. Okay. So Abel is in the lead, followed by Michaela and teacher John W for the teachers. Okay. All right, next question. 9 out of 12. Who painted Mona Lisa? Yes, it's Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, we're like waiting for the teacher side to finish.
Yeah, but you have a self-portrait of Picasso there.
they selected a different picture maybe. Okay, so let's check who's in the lead. Still Abel, and now it's teacher Jacob on the lead for the teacher side. Okay. All right. Let's check the next question. 10 out of 12. Oh, we're like going overboard with the time, but it's okay. Which batch graduated most recently in PIES? What batch? 11, batch 9, batch 16, batch 10. It's for me to know and for you to find it out. A wild guess can be. Okay, there you go. Batch 9. All right. Okay, so we have still Abel and teacher Jacob still. Wow, so good. All right, so we have the next question. Question 11 out of 12. In which year PIS started? Okay. Okay, if you were there in the International Day, it was mentioned. Yes, it's 2004. Okay, so for our last question, this is very interesting. If you have a very good memory, you can get this one easily correct. Okay. Last question. When was our last International Day? You can refer to the school calendar if you forgot that one. All right, so let's see if you can remember it. That one or
I have no idea.
November 17. Okay, so let's check our winners. Third place for the students, Kyla, 12A. All right, first is Teacher Shorat, second is Teacher John W. Prang from grade 10B for the students. First one is Abel, grade 11, and Teacher Jacob for the teacher side. All right, for the winners, you message me, Michaela, Abel, and Frank, if you want your vouchers to be delivered. Mr. Hickman is going to deliver it today. Okay? So I'm going to stop sharing this. And I guess that is it for our assembly today. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, students. Don't forget, love, peace, and happiness. And prepare for your next class. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day.